Hello guys, I'm Jordan, and welcome back to a brand new video on CrewElite. Today we have another special episode of tech reviews and gadgets, and today we're actually reviewing the Riwbox IN5. I decided to get these as well because I was going off on their website and I decided to actually get another product from them. And these are basically just foldable headphones. They're not Bluetooth, but they are basically inline headphones that you would actually need to plug into something in order to use them. And I decided to, why not test it out? But before we get into all of that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you have not to our channel, and also hit that like button to basically show if you appreciate or like the video, and then also click on the bell icon if you wanted to get notifications and different get notified on different videos we post. Please click it and you will get notified and you'll get the notifications because YouTube's not doing a good job. So let's get started with this product review. So basically, let's look at the front and let's see what the front has to offer. So basically, these are foldable headphones with volume control and mic. They are super high quality. They have bass. They're made out of aluminum alloy, and they have soft protein ear pads, which will make sure that your ears, are really well cushioned and you don't have any problems with sweat and stuff. Because after a long extended use of headphones, you would know that it kind of gets annoying a little bit. And these do have volume control and a mic, which is really good. And let's go on to the the top part. So basically, the specifications are, so the driver unit's right there, the microphone specifications are right there, and the cable part right there. If you guys wanting to pause and take a look at that, you can. On the back side, it just has more information and a picture of the headphones. They'll contact more about us. There's a few more specifications and details about these headphones on the back. And then on this side, it gives us more input on the aux cable that we get included onto the headphone, that we get included with the headphones. And it says powerful compatibility, and gives us more information on the different characteristics of the buttons right there. On this side, it's just the color options that you can get with these headphones if you were to buy them. And we got white and gold. That's the one that we got. And yeah, that's basically the outside of the box. So now let's actually get on to opening these headphones and testing them out and seeing the package. So we're going to take this thing, slide it off, and actually I'm going to put it in front of the camera so you guys can actually always have a look at it. And we're going to open this box up. This is a little different from the last headphones I reviewed because the packaging's a little different. Let's see how the inside looks and see if there's any different things. Ooh, okay. This is a little bit different packaging from the last headphones I reviewed from this company. So it looks like we actually get, okay, let's start off with this side. So we have an aux cable, and it looks like a user manual for these headphones on inside this bag right here. And it looks like a standard aux cable, but it has the little 3 buttons that we were talking about earlier. It has the play, volume up, and the volume down button, so if you wanted to control the volume of your music. And on the back there is a microphone that you can use with these headphones if you're plugged into a computer, or if you're plugged into like a phone or something. And then there is a bunch more different information about this product on this manual if you needed help, or if you just needed more clarification on some things that may come up with using these. So that's the manual. And then let's actually get on to these headphones. So it looks like they come inside a little black pouch, and it has Riwbox on the side, which is really nice. It looks like it's kind of leatherish, so it means it's a really good bag to put headphones in, I guess. And I guess the headphones are inside right here. So we're gonna actually take the headphones out, woo, this actually looks really nice. Wow. The way they fold these headphones are kind of interesting. I've never really seen headphones folded this way before, but it's really interesting. And on the top, it has Riwbox written on the top. And it looks like you can just kind of click these headphones to open them and use them. And that's how they look like when they're fully opened up. And on the inside of the earmuffs, you can see the L for left. And on this side, the R for right. So you know when you're putting them on your head, what side you're supposed to be putting them on. And you're not putting them on the wrong side. And yeah, so this pouch is really nice. There's a drawstring on it, so you can pull it to make it more secure and not have things come out of it. So it's a nice addition that they added this. The last one that I reviewed from them didn't come with a pouch, but this one did, which is really nice. And on the inside of the box, it looks like it's just a little pouch thing with nothing inside. So that's basically what the box looks like. So let's reconstruct this box and actually get on to reviewing these headphones and testing them out. Make sure to follow us on social media if you have not. Links will also be in the description, and will show up once or occasionally in this video. So please follow us if you want to hit us up or message us to either send us products or want us to test or review products. You can also send us to us on our business inquiries, and we will check it out. And yeah. So let's look at the headphones. So let's set them down right here. They look like standard headphones, but there's some unique aspect to these headphones compared to most headphones that people use today. I don't really see headphones that fold like this, but it's kind of interesting and cool and unique in a way. So I kind of like it at the same time. These headphones are a little bit more on the skinnier side. They're not as bulky as the last one, which is kind of nice if you're looking for something more, smaller, And if you needed to, you can also expand. If you pull on it, it will expand to your desired size that you want, and you can put it back to its original position. Let's take a look at the aux cable for a second. And let's take this little, I'm not sure what these things are called, but they keep things secure. And check out what this aux cable has to offer for us. So it's just a regular aux cable, but the unique thing about it is it has like a control panel kind of. So there's a play button, volume up, and a volume down button. And on the back, like I said earlier, there's a microphone, meaning that if you plug this into your phone, you could actually just use the microphone on this, and you don't actually have to use the microphone that you have on your phone, which is really nice to have in general. Okay, so now, last time we were having issues with, trying to get music and stuff on the iPad. So this time I already have music pulled up on the laptop because this doesn't have Bluetooth. We're just gonna plug it in and listen to it, and I also let the microphone hear what I'm listening to. And yeah, so let's put them on and let's just see how they look on me. And it looks like I have to extend it a little bit because my head's a little too big. Ooh, these headphones do feel nice. I feel like the noise, noise cancellation around me. They fit snug. They don't shake around. When I shake around, they don't fall off or anything, which is really nice. I seriously, when I'm talking to you guys right now, it sounds like I'm muffled, but really it's the headphones doing a good job of actually canceling the noise around me, which is really nice. It's actually not that bad. The padding on the top is nice, making sure that it doesn't slip off of you, which is nice. So let's actually get on to plugging these bad boys in and testing them out. And it looks like you would actually plug this the side that has the closest that's the closest to the control panel into the headphones. So when you click on the buttons, you have closer access and control. So we're gonna plug them in, and I have a aux port or aux jack, whatever thing it's called, over here, and it should be able to just plug right in. And I just plugged it in. So we're gonna test it out with one of just a sample song and see how they sound. And make sure my volume is not all the way up. I want it down, and I'll start gradually turning it up just to hear it. And I'll tell you when it's at 100%. So let's get on to the song. Let me hear it. Okay, now I'm going to slowly turn up my volume. I'm slowly showing it up, but it sounds good. Ooh, the bass though. It's good. These headphones are really good. Even the bass, it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna actually let you guys actually hear it through the microphone and see how it sounds for a second. And you guys can see that it's actually really, really good. 1 second. Okay, let me let you guys listen to it. Oh, it's like static interference. I don't know why I did that. I think it's because I plugged it into like a jack thing, so I think that's why there's audio interference. But they sound good. You know, you don't hear it too much outside around you, but you can kind of hear it. But for the most part, the noise cancellation is way better than the last ones I reviewed, for instance, which is really nice. I like these. Let's put them on again and test them out. No, they're good. They're good. Yeah, I actually like these a lot. I kind of like them a lot better than the ones I got last time. Reviewed last time on this channel. And yeah, these are not bad. They look like they're gold plated, and it's not bad. You know, it has a very sturdy build to it. It's not cheap or plastic like what most people use these days. So I think they had a good build with these headphones. And I'm gonna pause the music and make my final reflections to these headphones. I think these headphones are fantastic, honestly. They did a good job with the build. It's not like it's, some headphones I've had in the past, man, if you're not careful enough, you're gonna actually break them. Like, it's just, these ones feel sturdy. I know that they're more secure. I know that I'm not gonna break them if I hold on to it or like pull on it or yank on it too hard, which I really like about these headphones. And yeah, so basically this is my review on the Riwbox's IN5 headphones. You can get these on Riwbox's website, or you can actually get these on Amazon, which we'll also leave links in the description to the website and the exact one I brought. These headphones are really good. They're pretty good. I would give it a solid 8 out of 10, 8 or 9 out of 10. It's really good. The only downside with these headphones are the ear cuffs. They're not big enough for my ears. But other than that, these are pretty good. The last ones I reviewed, the ear cuffs were pretty big, and I was actually able to fit my ears with them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching jeez, I can't talk. Tech reviews and gadgets episode number 2. And yeah, if you have any ideas or suggestions of things I should test out, please leave them down in the description. In the comment section below, or message us on our social media platforms down below. And then also, if you have any recommendations or if you want to send us any products, there was also a business inquiries email that has shown, I think, twice in this video, and also there is the email in the description if you need to actually look at it. These headphones are really good. It's good. The only, it doesn't have Bluetooth like the one I did last time, but other than that, they're really good. They're good, PC or just standalone headphones. And the good thing is you could actually take off the aux when you're not using it, unlike some headphones when the aux is actually already attached onto the headphones and you can't take it off. So yeah, these headphones are really good. I recommend you getting them if you're looking for something cheap but not too expensive, because I don't like spending a lot of money on stuff. Let's be honest here. I'm not made out of money, so I would say that these headphones are a steal. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this gave you more insight if you were thinking of actually getting these, or if you were thinking of just getting random headphones, or if you needed headphones. I hope I gave you guys enough insight or information to persuade you to actually getting these. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did making this video. So please have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. CrewElite signing out.